Hello, Short Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker SNAP, and I think this might be the last video I do for Snapchat unless something extremely material changes. My stance has not changed if you've been listening to my Snapchat videos for the past couple of weeks. I indicated that, we aren't in horrible shape. It seems as though since this gap down after earnings, we've more or less been consolidating. I said what the stock should do, and which it did today, was we needed to retest the previous lows, or the 52-week lows of $10.51. So again, what we needed to do was to test that 52-week low of $10.51 to measure the strength of the bulls, to measure the strength of the bears. We retested that level today. We went as low as precisely $10.51, and we ended up bouncing. We closed at $10.65, so more or less we have to monitor the stock going forward. We really don't want to test that $10.51 area anymore, but if we do, obviously we want that level to hold, and we want to start veering away from that $10.50 area. If we can trade in the upper 10s, maybe lower 11s going forward, that bodes well for the bulls, right? It doesn't mean that the stock is now in healthy shape. At minimum, what it means by what I'm seeing here is that the selling for the most part has subsided, and it seems as though 10.51, at least in the shorter term, is the floor. Once we've established a floor, then we can, talk about, we can talk about what would be the next steps for this stock. But considering the chart is what I consider quote unquote broken, what I was looking for after this gap down was a level of stabilization and for the stock to put in a floor. Because once we've put in a floor, then the next step up after that would be for us to trade on and upwards. So 10.51, not to sound repetitive, may have been the floor, but time will tell. We retested it today. The bull stepped in. It held. We closed at 10.65. So going forward, let's monitor that area. Again, we want to drift away from that 10.50 support area, because if we continue to trade close to it, chances are we're going to test it again, and I don't think we're going to be so lucky next time around. I think we'll actually break that level. So that's my take on ticker SNAP. Still long. I'm going to be long for the next couple of years unless this stock completely gets obliterated. Right now, I don't think that that's the case. Again, the stock is broken, but it isn't like completely nasty. So that's it. Head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.